Rolling along,
rolling along,
rolling along.
rolling along.
Niggas all work on the Mississippi. Niggas all work for the white folks pay. Pulling them boats from the dawn till sunset. Getting no rest till the judgment day. Don't look up and don't look down. You don't dare make the white folks frown. Bend your knees and bow your head and pull that rope until you're dead. Let me go away from the Mississippi. Let me go away from the white man's talk. Show me that stream called the River Jordan. That's the old stream that I long to cross.
Old Man River, that old man River, he must know something, but don't say nothing. He just keeps rolling, he just keeps rolling along. He don't plant potatoes, he don't plant cotton, and them that plant them is soon forgotten. But old man River, he just keeps rolling along. You and me, we sweat and strain, body all aching and racked with pain. Tote that barge, lift that bale, get a little drunk and you land in jail. It's weary and sick of trying. I'm tired of living and feared of dying. But old man River, he just keeps rolling along.
Old man River, that old man River, he must know something, but don't say nothing. He just keeps rolling, he just keeps rolling along.
Rolling along.
He don't plant potatoes, he don't plant cotton, and them that plant them is soon forgotten. But old man River, he just keeps rolling along.
Rolling along.
You and me,